Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our beginner English course. In today's lesson, we are going to learn the months of the year in English. There are 12 months in one year. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to say and pronounce all of them. First, we will learn all 12 months. Then, we will practice saying them together. At the end, we will make some simple sentences. Let's begin. This month is January. Listen, January. Repeat after me. January, January. Let's spell it together. January. January. January is a winter month. This month is February. Repeat after me. February. February. Let's spell it together. February. February. Well done. This month is March. Repeat after me. March. March. Let's spell it together. March. March. Which month comes after February? That's right, March. Let's say these months together. January, February, March. Again, January, February, March. Very good. This month is April. Listen, April, April. Let's spell April. April. Well done. This month is May. Repeat. May. This is a very short word. Let's spell it. M-A-Y. May. May is a spring month. This month is June. Repeat. June. June. Let's spell it together. J-U-N-E. June. Well done. Now let's say these months together. April, May, June. Again, April, May, June. Now we already know 6 months. Let's continue with the next months. This month is July. Repeat. July. Let's spell J-U-L-Y. July. Great job. July is a summer month. This month is August. Repeat after me. August. Let's spell it together. U, G, U, S, T. Again, slowly. A, U, G, U, S, T. August. You're doing very well. Let's continue. This month is September. Repeat. September. September. Let's spell it. S E P T E M B E R. September. September. Let's say these months together. July, August, September. Again, July, August, September. School starts in September. Let's continue with the last 3 months. This month is October. Repeat after me. October. October. Let's spell it. O C T O B E R. October. Well done. October is an autumn month. This month is November. Repeat. November. November. Let's spell it together. N O V E M B E R. November. Very good. This month is December. Repeat. December. December. Let's spell it. D E C E M B E R. December. December is a holiday month. Now let's say all the months together. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Again, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now let's make a simple sentence. Repeat after me. My birthday is in May. My birthday is in October. Now say it with your birthday month. For example, my birthday is in September. Which month is your birthday in? Write it in the comments. Repeat after me. January is a winter month. January is a winter month. Today we learned the 12 months of the year in English. Practice by saying the months every day. Thank you for learning with me. If you want to continue learning English step by step, subscribe for the channel so you don't miss the next lesson. Next time, we'll talk about seasons of the year. See you in the next lesson. Bye!